Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Random Video House. Today topic is the solar system. The solar system is the collection of planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies that orbit around the sun. It is located in the Milky Way galaxy and is estimated to be about 4.6 billion years old. The 8 planets in the solar system, in order from the Sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Each planet has unique characteristics such as size, composition, atmosphere, and number of moons. The solar system also contains dwarf planets, such as Pluto, which orbit the Sun but are not considered full-fledged planets. In addition, there are numerous asteroids and comets that orbit the Sun in the asteroid belt and Kuiper belt. The Sun is at the center of the solar system and contains about 99.8% of the total mass in the solar system. It provides energy to the planets through a process called nuclear fusion, where hydrogen atoms combine to form helium and release energy. The study of the solar system is called astronomy, and scientists use various tools such as telescopes and spacecraft to study the planets, moons, and other objects in the solar system. Sure, here are some additional facts about the solar system. The solar system is believed to have formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust known as the solar nebula. This cloud collapsed under its own gravity, eventually forming a spinning disk with the Sun at its center. Over time, the planets formed from this disk as small particles clumped together to form larger and larger objects. The 4 inner planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are known as the terrestrial planets because they are small, rocky, and have solid surfaces. The 4 outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are known as the gas giants because they are much larger than the terrestrial planets and consist mainly of gas and liquid. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system, with a diameter of about 86,881 miles, 139,822 kilometers. It is also the most massive planet, accounting for more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined. The asteroid belt is a region of the solar system located between Mars and Jupiter where many small rocky objects orbit the Sun. The largest object in the asteroid belt is Ceres, which is classified as a dwarf planet. Pluto was considered the 9th planet in the solar system until 2006, when it was reclassified as a dwarf planet due to its size and orbit. However, there are many other dwarf planets in the solar system, including Eris, Hauma, and Makemake. The Oort cloud is a hypothetical region of the solar system located far beyond the orbit of Pluto, where many comets are believed to originate. It is thought to be a spherical cloud of icy objects that extends up to 100,000 astronomical units, or, from the Sun. The Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 spacecraft were launched by NASA in 1977 to study the outer planets and interstellar space. They are still operational today and have traveled beyond the outer reaches of the solar system, providing valuable data about the outer planets, their moons, and the surrounding space. The study of the solar system and other celestial objects beyond it is part of the field of astronomy, which is one of the oldest natural sciences. Astronomers use a variety of tools and techniques to study the universe, including telescopes, spectroscopy, and computer simulations. The average distance between the Earth and the Sun is about 93 million miles, 149.6 million kilometers, which is known as 1 astronomical unit, or. However, the distance varies throughout the year due to the elliptical shape of Earth's orbit. The moons of the outer planets are some of the most fascinating objects in the solar system. Jupiter has the most moons, with at least 79 known satellites, while Saturn has at least 82 moons. Some of the most interesting moons include Io, which is the most volcanically active object in the solar system, and Titan, which has a thick atmosphere and lakes of liquid methane and ethane. The solar wind is a stream of charged particles that flows out from the sun and affects the magnetic fields of the planets in the solar system. The Earth's magnetic field helps protect us from the harmful effects of the solar wind, but it can also cause auroras, also known as the northern and southern lights, when the charged particles interact with the Earth's atmosphere. The Kuiper belt is a region of the solar system located beyond Neptune's orbit, where many small icy objects orbit the Sun. This region is believed to be the source of many short-period comets and may contain a large number of dwarf planets. In 2015, NASA's New Horizons spacecraft flew by Pluto and provided the first close-up images of this distant world. The spacecraft also discovered many new features on Pluto's surface, including mountains made of water ice and a heart-shaped region named Tombaugh Regia. The heliopause is the boundary between the solar wind and the interstellar medium, where the Sun's influence ends and the influence of other stars begins. The Voyager spacecraft are currently crossing this boundary and are providing valuable data about the conditions in this region of space. The solar system is constantly changing as comets and asteroids collide with planets or are ejected from the system entirely. Scientists are still studying the formation and evolution of the solar system to better understand how our corner of the universe came to be. The Sun is not a solid object. Instead, it is a giant ball of gas and plasma. It is composed mostly of hydrogen, about 74%, and helium, about 24%, with smaller amounts of other elements. The largest volcano in the solar system is on Mars. Olympus Mons is about 3 times the height of Mount Everest and has a base roughly the size of the state of Arizona. The Great Red Spot is a persistent high-pressure region on Jupiter that is larger than the size of the Earth. It has been observed for more than 150 years and is believed to be a giant storm. The asteroid that is believed to have caused the extinction of the dinosaurs about 66 million years ago was about 6 miles, 10 kilometers, wide. It struck the Earth with a force estimated to be billions of times greater than the largest atomic bomb ever detonated. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun and takes almost 165 Earth years to complete one orbit. Its atmosphere is known for its bright blue color and high-speed winds. The largest known object in the Kuiper belt is a dwarf planet named Eris. It is about the same size as Pluto and was discovered in 2005. Saturn's rings are made up of billions of small particles, ranging in size from tiny grains of dust to large chunks of ice. The rings are only about 30 feet, 10 meters, thick on average, but they extend for thousands of miles. The first spacecraft to land on a comet was the European Space Agency Rosetta mission. In 2014, it landed a small probe named Philae on the surface of Comet 67P, Churyumov-Gerasimenko, providing valuable data about the composition of comets. The search for habitable planets beyond our solar system is a major area of research in. Scientists have discovered thousands of exoplanets, planets orbiting stars other than the Sun, and are studying their characteristics to determine if they could support life. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe this YouTube channel, Random Video House, and follow my Facebook page, AKN Goodbye.